Hey guys, we're over here on 3501 Merritt Street for a wind damage claim for Allstate. They paid for only about 25 shingles on the back slope of the home, 5 shingles on the front slope. Paid for a few different shingles on this slope of the garage. But as you can see on this slope, they left off this crease shingle, this crease shingle, this crease shingle, and also there's a bunch of pulled through nails on the roofing system as well. I'll show you when we get to the next part of the video. But we're just gonna see if the roof is repairable. Now this roof on the house is a 12-12, so we thought it would be better to see if these shingles are repaired and more safer. So we'll start, and this is our example shingle right here. You can see the heavy dark line crease going through the top of it. So we'll start by unsealing the shingles. Oh, this one's unsealed, no surprise. See, this one's already pulled through just from unsealing the shingle. I'm just gonna go ahead and take my time. This one pulled through as well. Just gonna take my time, even though we know most roofers would be very rough with the shingles. See all that debris underneath it? This shingle would never seal back down properly. No, it's not an exact color match, but we're just trying to determine whether a repair can even properly be done on this roof.